Munch, isn't a shop. Donuts. Oh, hi. No worries. Oh, just take a big God. You're complaining. Hi, what's your name? So I'm Mr. Oh, hi. Let's go. Hi. No worries. Wow. Thanks. I'll just take a picture. It's boring. What about me? I'm starving. Meow. Hello, new friend. Guys, I'm starving here. I never eaten. Guys, I'm starving here. We got lots. Some food. That's boring. We got them later. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. We should the end of the story of the cat game.
Yeah.
Special cat present for you. Cat is so angry at the bag. Right. Even magic. Jump your special gift for you. Get this. So I got this unicorn bag. Unicorn bag. Also this imagination. Awesome. So I'm gonna wanna pop just stand up again. Look at the ball is rolling. Ice ball is rolling. Yeah, I have to get out of it. Whoa! Inside here. Yeah. Smells good. And my surprise. And tomorrow will be Pick Me Pop surprise. The Viking and Slow. And yeah!